What's up, legends? Today I've got a brand new product for me to try and test. So today I have a VideoMic Me-L. So it's a directional mic for your iPhone, and basically I just saw it in the shops and I was like, you know what? Why not? Why not just like see if it will do any better for audio for when I play guitar, or just make iPhone videos in general, because like using an iPhone for video is like 10 times more simpler than just using a Canon camera. It just like is quicker altogether. So I thought for audio purposes, I've got to try this, at least give it a go and see if it's any good. So that's why I'm just doing a quick unboxing of this, just to see if it's any good and if it's any worthwhile. The first thing that I noticed that it comes with is the actual mic, and it actually comes with a filter. So like when it's windy and stuff, you actually have a furry filter for all that stuff, and then it has mounting bracket as well. So I'm very interested to see like how it works and everything. You know, Rode always makes great stuff. I use the Rode VideoMic Me-L Plus. This looks like the actual product, so it comes with the fluffy fluff on top. Comes with the quick start guide, so we can have a look through this and just see if it's any good. That's what it looks like. So literally, when you unbox it, you just plug it in, and then you press record. You sing into it apparently. You use your voice, you go la 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 la, sing into it, and it should work. And then apparently you can plug your headphones in, which is a feature that I didn't know existed with this, so I'm very excited. I want to just take off this wind filter, but that looks awesome. Ooh, it feels nice inside. This is the actual microphone that you get. Just one direction, and that's that direction, which is great for microphones, because that means that you're not picking up what's over here, you're not picking up really what's over here, just a little bit, but you're mainly picking up what's just up ahead. So that's really useful. So I'm guessing that would be really useful for when you're outdoors. That would be the main thing, when it's like really windy. Let's say you're in Canada. It's great for Canada, just out in the wilderness. I think that is the mount. That's how it works. And then I could use my headphones to actually listen back to audio. And it's great because it's a jack. So you don't need this. I'm just going to use my gaming headset. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and record while listening to the audio to see what it sounds like. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, wow. While I'm recording the screen, I could actually hear, whoa, that's great audio. That's great. So if I record this video, can I hear anything? No. I can't hear any audio through while I'm recording video, but I can hear it while I'm recording the screen, which is really interesting. So we'll take this off. And yeah, it'll be interesting to see what it sounds like. There's no like outboard sort of options for like controlling volume. I feel like that would be that next level up, is if you had like onboard volume controls. But apart from that, it's sounding good. Let's do a recording test for playing guitar and see if I can actually mount it on, like, let's say one of these things. Like if I can actually mount it, which I should, right? There we go, it's working. And then if I was to go on the DJI Mimo app, perfect. All right, let's get my guitar and play something on it. Okay, cool. That was a cool test. Now I'm interested to see how that sounds. So what I'll do is I'll airdrop the footage onto my iMac and have a listen back and see if it's any good firsthand. Alright, that was a really cool test. Now, I want to see what it sounds like, the exact same progression without the mic, and see if there's much of a difference. Interesting. Now let's play the other one. I'm hearing a difference. I'm definitely hearing a difference. That's thinner. That's without the mic. And then this is with the mic. It's less thin, right? It's got more bass. Yeah. You can hear a difference. It sounds more whole and like more full with that mic. So the mic does make a difference. Alright, so I just had a really fun time trying this new product out, and I actually thought it made a bit of a difference. Like, I could tell the difference straight away just by listening to it. Like, the one with the video mic was like way more full, had more bass in the audio and more mids and everything. It didn't sound as thin, so definitely makes a good difference, I would say. It's a worthwhile investment if you can be bothered spending $98 on something like this. It does make a little bit of a difference, and yeah, I would say, you know what, it is worth it. And it has the headphone jack, it comes with a wind filter. You know what, go out and get yourself one. I reckon it's really, really good. Have yourself a beautiful day, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was educational and fun for you guys to see. And I'll see you guys next time.